Hello and welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at the wiring for the ReelCNC manual to electric conversion, and this is going to be the second version. Overall, this is a very simple conversion. There's really only three components to worry about: the battery, the governor, and the motor. Everything mounts up very easily to the existing chassis for your mower. In this case, mine's a Scott's 18-inch. To wire everything up, basically just gotta open up this governor box. It's 4 screws. Don't make this more complicated than it has to be, guys. Voila! When you got 2 sets of wires going in, that's it. The battery controller that I have had 2 wires coming out, so I just capped them together and ran a smaller wire into the terminal there. Terminal on the right side is for your power in. On the left side is for the motor. That's your out. Like I said, it's really simple. The motor mounts are bolted right onto the chassis there. And then it's using this tensioner as well as the tension of the motor up and down to get that chain tight. In my case, the bolts are at the top for this motor, but for different motors, they may be on the side. Using a large wrench, just give it some upward pressure. That just helps lift the motor up as tight as it can go. Do that on one side, do that on the other side, and it should help level it out, get it nice and even. When you need to tighten those bolts, you use your number 10 socket. Personally, I only use 1 bolt on either side. Makes it just a little easier to make chain adjustments if I need to. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll definitely be getting more content up soon. Have a great day.